Here you go, the Amazon package. I'm gonna box it now. Got the shipping labels off. As always. So I got a few things. So first I got Energizer AAA batteries. Any of these for my scale, my thermostat, and everything. I got a lot of them. Should last me like years. Should last like at least 2 years. This box got a doorknob. Want to mount this on my door a bit. Got all the hardware and stuff. And last but not least, an Ethernet cable. I need this because I'm gonna get a second router for extra speeds. It's 150 feet long, so it should reach my basement. So I live in a 3-story house. And I got Cable Matters. It's a pretty good brand. So yeah, everything came in good condition. Thanks for watching.